Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 3. This is lesson number 16, Earth, Sun and Moon. In the previous videos of this lesson we have studied about solar system, the Earth, Sun and living things on the Earth we have seen, and what causes day and night on the Earth. This concept also we have studied in previous class. Okay. In today's class we will start the topic the seasons. Okay, how are seasons caused? As we have seen that because of the rotation of the earth on its own axis, days and nights are caused, days and nights are formed. Here we will see how the seasons are caused. The earth goes around the sun on a fixed path. The earth revolves around the sun in the fixed path. It takes 365 days, it means 1 year, for the earth to go around the sun. As earth completes its one revolution in 365 days, that is 1 year for us. So earth revolves in a fixed path, that is called orbit. Okay. So the movement of earth around the sun, this movement is called revolution. The revolution of the earth causes seasons. As you have already learned, we have 5 seasons in a year: winter, spring, summer, monsoon and autumn. Okay, in the seasons chapter you have seen 5 main seasons in a year: winter, spring, summer, monsoon and autumn. Okay, so because of the revolution of earth around the sun, the seasons are caused. According to the distance and according to the revolution, these seasons changes. Now we will see about moon. On some nights you can see a round silvery ball in the night sky. Means in some nights you can see the complete round moon on the sky. What is it? So it is moon and it is called the natural satellite of the earth. Moon is also spherical, but it is much smaller than the earth. Moon's shape is also a rounded spherical, but it is very smaller compared to the earth. The moon is the nearest neighbor of the earth in the sky. Here you can see moon is the natural satellite of earth. Moon is the natural satellite of earth. It is the nearest neighbor of the earth in the sky. It is a rocky place with no air. See, on the moon also there is no atmosphere, no air. There is no life on the moon. If there is no water, no air on the planet or at any rocky surface, means there can be no life. There is no life on the moon. The moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. We only see the part of the moon that is lit by the sun. Different shapes of the moon is visible to us as the positions of both the earth and the moon keeps changing. On a full moon day, we see the whole of the moon and sometimes we only see part of the moon. So sometimes we can see just like a curved line for a moon, sometimes the half part of the moon and sometimes full moon we can see on the sky. It is according to the rotation of the earth and the revolution of the moon around the earth. Okay, so on some days you do not see the moon at all. Sometimes we don't see the moon at all on the sky. It is called the new moon. This happens when moon comes between the earth and the sun. So we on earth do not get to see the moon as it does not get any sunlight from the sun. Okay. On some days we see whole of the moon. It is called the full moon. When more than half of the moon is visible, it is called the gibbous moon. Sometimes the part of the moon that is visible may have a crescent shape and it is called a crescent moon. Here you can see the different shapes of the moon. Here is the full moon. Here is the crescent moon. Okay, here no moon. Okay, so these are the shapes of the moon. Sometimes the part of the moon that is visible may have a crescent shape, and it is called crescent moon. Okay, now let's see the stars. A star is a massive luminous body which has light of its own and appears together in groups to form particular shape in the sky. These groups of stars are called constellations. What is constellation? A group of stars in the sky. They are called constellations. The stars are very far from us, that's why they look tiny in the sky. Some famous constellations are Orion and Ursa Major. So these are the groups of stars which make the different shapes. They are called constellations. Okay, so two constellations are Orion and Ursa Major. So this is all about the stars. Okay, here we have completed this lesson, and in this chapter we have studied these important points. We live on the planet Earth. It is mostly covered with water. The shape of the earth is round and spherical. There is a life on earth because it has air, water, and the heat and light of the sun. The sun helps the plants to grow. The rotation of the earth on its axis causes day and night. It takes 1 day for the earth to complete one rotation. The movement of earth around the sun causes seasons. It takes 1 year for the earth to complete the revolution. The moon is our nearest neighbor, and it is the natural satellite of earth. The moon has no light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun. Groups of stars are called constellations. What are constellations? Groups of stars are called constellations. So here is a word bank. In this you can see some new words. What is aeronautical? This is relating to the science or particle of building or flying aircraft. What is planet? A large body in the space that circles around the sun or another star. What is orbit? The curved path in which a planet, satellite, or spacecraft moves, the fixed path. What is atmosphere? A thin layer of air around the earth. Spherical means having or nearly having the shape of a sphere. Axis, an imaginary line through the center of the earth. What is rotation? Spinning of the earth on its axis. What is rotation? It is spinning of the earth on its axis. What is revolution? The circular movement of the earth around the sun. The movement of earth around the sun, it is called revolution. What is natural satellite? A heavenly body that goes around a planet. Like the moon goes around the earth, the planet earth. So moon is the natural satellite of earth. Natural satellite means a heavenly body that goes around a planet. Okay children, that's it for today's video. We'll see textbook exercises in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.